So I'm really excited to be doing this live with you. I think this is the first time that I'm letting you guys into my rehearsals and all of the stuff that I do, before an actual show or before I start shooting. First of all, I want to thank all of you for such a fantastic response for the teasers of Nene Raja, Nene Mantri and Gautam Nanda. So I'm performing at Filmfare for the third time tomorrow. I have an interesting lineup of songs, a lot of Tamil numbers, one or two Telugu numbers. It's come out pretty well. We've tried to keep it different from what I've done the last 2 years. The choreography is going to be really Western. But it's a live performance, so I'm excited. I love it. I mean, the energy is great. I like it when people, like clap and things like that. That doesn't happen if you're shooting. So I like that part. But the problem with a live performance is you cannot cut, so there are no do-overs. You just have to keep going. So I have to practice. I'm practicing. So I want to show you guys my rehearsals, and I want you guys to meet my choreographer, Satish.
Hi.
So if you remember him, he did Gautam Menon, who's Acham Yenvadu Madhumayana.
Tamil and food is Sasam Swastika Sati.
So you see, he's a very talented person. He's a fabulous dancer and an actor. And he's doing choreography for Filmfare for all of the acts. How is that? How is it to do everything? Because I'm still kind of trying to get
When it comes to stage events, Filmfare, it is pretty exciting because before me becoming a choreographer, stage is a place where I born. So it's exciting, and having you on board is something,
You're
dream
being
come
very
true.
kind. You're being very kind. We still have
No,
to
because
rehearse,
actually,
Satish.
I actually need to tell you something. I need to tell you something is her first film in Tamil was Madras.
Oh yeah, he choreographed all the
And I
songs
choreographed for
me.
her, but I didn't have the luck to teach her some moves in the film because
I was just walking.
the film
It was just
was
one that
sort of north side of Madras, and after I get to see a song called Topulesi Pote, I thought, okay, I was just pinching myself and thinking, this cannot be Catherine, and what I'm seeing is not actually true. Because I've been seeing a very subtle performance, walk here and there, and totally coming out with a bang in Topulesi Pote is somewhat I could able to see the versatility she has in acting and all, dancing and all that. And after that, the time flew away for a very long time.
Yeah, we didn't meet for a
And
really
then
long
I
time.
get to know that Catherine is in Filmfare. Okay, I need to take off this show of my dancing. I need to get on something new and do something which will excite her. Because before this, I saw a few performances of Catherine's stage performance, which was actually very good. And I want to do something really different this time. And I tried something urban, and I have something house in the songs. And but the one part which I didn't like is whatever I teach, she.
I still have to practice so much.
No. I think she's very, very being humble and all that. But being a choreographer, I must say that teaching her is actually, she's very much matured in mind, and she's not like, you just come here, you will do this, you will do this, that, and you go.
Wow.
Stage performance has a formula, but I'm very happy to see that she wants to break that formula and give me a nice routine, and if it's pretty tough also, it's okay.
Normal is boring, Satish.
Yeah, I thought this will be a tough routine, and I did something, and it just took some few minutes for her to do it.
Trust me guys, it is still a very tough routine. I'm still like, tomorrow is the show. I do not know. I have to still go in and practice and be like,
No, I think fans, you must know this, very humble and very sweet girl she is. But to be frank, and I would actually enjoy the choreographing Catherine, and also Filmfare. It is not only Catherine's, but in Catherine's performance, I have put that, and it shaped up well, and I'm happy. And
Satish,
maybe
still,
by seeing this, people would call me to choreography Hyderabad.
I hope so too. But we have to practice. I have
I think we were actually talking too much. I know you guys were thinking, what you both are still talking. Let us see the dance. I know this is going in your mind, but
Please, we're performing tomorrow
I think
evening.
two, three sequence. I sent her a message saying you should just lift your right leg, left leg. She got that steps also. Now let's stop talking and get into the dance
He's
floor
exaggerating.
and
Nothing
see
like
what
that
is
happening.
happening. Now follow me.
Okay, come in, let's go. Okay, so this is our entire group. Everyone say hi. fabulous energy. It's so amazing to be dancing with them. And they remember all their acts, and I'm still trying to get my one thing. So they're absolutely brilliant that way. Okay, anyway, let's start. Okay, Satish.
Okay, yeah.
Let's get down to it.
Position. Okay. We will start from. I think girls need to come in front. Here, this 1 and 2. This. And you guys will stay and catch
Okay,
him.
Satish, you have to start here and show.
Yeah. Ready?
Okay. Okay, let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 10 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and
Satish, too fast.
Superb. Actually, I was little slow, but Katrin got the right speed.
You were too fast.
I think you must have seen this. So you think?
Satish, stop joking.
No, I'm
You were faster. You were way
No,
faster.
I think fans would decide who's the winner.
Okay guys, so I have a lot of practicing to do. I'm going to go live from the red carpet tomorrow as well, and I'm looking forward to you guys joining me. Mwah. Lovely talking to you. Bye bye.